Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and on the desk today is my Arcos XS40 3G, color, because it came with a number of back covers in a nice color. And unfortunately there is a major issue apparently with this specific model of smartphone. Somehow it doesn't charge and the battery goes dead, and the charging circuit in this thing isn't good. However, even with such a device, a normal smartphone which uses a generic type of design for basically this, the battery, you can still get your data from this. So what you got here is a rated battery by a standard, so 1ICP5. That's a specification for this thing. It's Lion, right? Lithium ion, 3.7 volts, 200 milliamp hours. And it has a model number and you can't purchase this one anywhere. However, that specification also specifies these contacts, right? Minus, plus, with a battery sensing contact in the middle. And if you've got another smartphone like I've got right here, a nice little Samsung, an old one that still charges its battery properly, you can still start this thing up, because with a bit of sticky tape you can mount the battery contacts if they are compatible and proper, right? Be sure that it is, because lithium ion batteries can be very dangerous, but if you do it like this, you can perhaps, hopefully with a nicely charged battery, restart your device like I'm going to do here. Right, there it goes. A Samsung battery, Samsung, some would say, with 3, even 4 contacts which are compatible. And it's starting, and I got my data from this device by syncing it to the cloud, because basically the charge port and the entire circuitry for that, including the battery, is defunct on this thing. But as you can see, it's starting Android. Please wait. Right. So wonderful. No SIM card. Emergency calls only. However, it functions properly. Now I'm going to go into the settings, eject all the additional memory I put in here, an SD card or a micro SD to be exact, and then reflash this thing to the factory default settings, and then it's going into the recycling bin. So with this method, if you've got the right contacts, right, compatible ones, and a small battery, you can get your data of this or such a device that no longer charges but is in all senses otherwise functional enough to sync to the cloud your data from the device and reset it to factory settings to protect your passwords and your data, because they'll be erased, hopefully most likely from this device or from your device if you've got a similar case. Right. So this is NikitaNet saying I hope you found this video interesting, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.